Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a review on the Swatgtron e-bike. I've had this bike for about a year now. It's been pretty good to me all in all. It's been pretty used and abused. I go camping a lot, I go to the beach a lot. I just got back from a trip from Florida with it. Right now, currently at a park, like a shaded park, riding around. The bike itself is, it's pretty nice. It's not the fastest thing, but it does a job for what I need it for. The main thing I like about it and stuff is that I have a small car. I don't have a big SUV or anything like that. So room is tight, especially when I go camping, because I want to bring all my toys. So, this one, unlike some of the other ones, folds in half, which I'll show you in a few minutes. It folds down nicely. The handlebars go down to the pedals, they go in also, just like that. Yeah, so I've had the bike for about a year now. I have currently 148 miles, as you can see. I've had no real problems with it at all, other than on way back from my last trip, lost the pen that goes through there. It's not the bike's fault, it's my fault. Other than that, it's been flawless. So it's not fast by any means, but I like it for what I got it for. My kid has a small bike too, so it keeps up with her well, with her little electric bike. If you guys want to see how the bike folds down, see if I can go ahead and put the phone somewhere. Okay. One sec, guys. So you guys can see me well. Okay. It's been great to me. I love the bike. I would definitely recommend it. I would definitely purchase another one. It's great. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.